What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see what today is. We finally get a chance to try the Traxxas drag / out, man. I ain't got a time. I ain't got a chance because I've been so busy since the day I got it. But this gonna be my first drive. I had time to do it, but I said I wanted y'all to see my first time driving this car, and this is the fastest RC car I've ever driven. I have not owned one since I was a kid, man. I loved them. I had some, like the Tyco Rebound was my all-time favorite RC car, man. If you remember the Tyco Rebound, it had like a truck side, then a car side, you just flip it up against the wall. Yeah, man, I put a lot of marks on the wall, basically. But I love that. Then, you know, you used to do the 360 and stuff. So this gonna be my first real, what I call real RC car, man. That's why I said I'm learning. Y'all bear with me if you got any tips or stuff I need to do or work on, man. Drop in the comment. I'm open, cause like I said, it's a learning experience for me. But we finna try it out, finna power it up, get wifey to record, so y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all, look, checking in, so I got it powered up. It's a little fast, so we're gonna go down here. This thing here is fast. I got a, what's that thing? I got a 7600 milliamp battery, 2-cell.
It's going back. Riding on the road. No. This looks fun.
Clean, y'all.
This looks fun.
This thing lit.
This looks fun.
Let's try the tram brake. Alright, so look, y'all, let me show y'all where it works. Y'all see that? That's the trans brake. So you hold that down, you see it ain't moving. Let that go.
I'm scared that it breaks when you go fast.
That's why I said I really need a parking lot. This thing wet. This thing wet, ain't it?
Oh, yeah, it is. I say they need a bigger.
We're gonna do a burnout. Let me get my
Burnout! How you do a burnout? How you gonna do a burnout, Dad?
You set the GoPro up, y'all. Got time. Get y'all the GoPro view too.
That was in a burnout.
Woo! It's fun. So,
Yeah.
You saw it spin out.
I was trying to catch it, went so fast though.
Yeah. It sounds like, is that the brake?
Huh.
I was so scared. I was like, is that the brake?
Oh.
It's not working, Mommy. I thought it was the brake.
You got it.
Huh.
Get up. I'll get up, Carl. I'm learning. Decent steering, do what it is. Hey, y'all. I got the.
Hey, don't pop your belly.
It's spinning.
You guys got to learn how to.
This thing got some power. Hold on, we're gonna try straight punch. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Hey, this thing here. Too fast. Hey, it pulled the wheel then, didn't it?
Uh-huh.
It pulled the wheel.
The thing is that breaks is your fault. Daddy, if that breaks is your fault.
Let's see, can we get a wheelie, y'all, on the GoPro? He's jumping too fast, man. Yeah, we're gonna have to go to an open parking lot.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna drive too much long because it's too expensive to be braking. But I want to give y'all the first drive. We're gonna see, can we get a wheelie though?
What's a wheelie?
Make the wheels come up.
Or the okay, what's or a wheelie both grow.
15 inch right there.
Okay, let's see. That wasn't a wheelie.
This reverse, man, this a learning curve. If anybody that first time experienced one of these, y'all got to bear with me, man. You got to understand. This is new.
It is fun.
It's so responsive too.
I don't pop them up.
All right, see, can we get a wheelie?
Tina, you're so slow. The wheelie both rough. The wheelie boo.
Turn it on.
I'm ready. I'm ready. Come on.
All right, you got it good. Zoom in on it.
I'm zoomed in pretty good.
Are you ready?
Yeah, you think you finna do it burn out?
Oh.
Oh.
I'm straight punching.
Alright, because I have to move. Here, watch how it's in. So when I turn the camera, I'm trying to catch it. Yeah. Well.
It's spinning. They're like a real car, man. They're crazy. Let's try to burn out. Maybe I need to. Maybe I should listen to the wife.
I got no little son.
Child, the sun's still out.
Just stand there, okay?
Ready?
I'm going to touch.
Yeah.
We're going to try a tram brake.
Ready?
Ready?
In the
Yeah.
flash.
It hooked up better then. I don't think it pulled the wheel though.
Sign over there, too.
I'm gonna break this thing, man. I might well go and buy me another body. I can tell y'all that now. I might well go and buy another body. It's too. I'm gonna have to buy another battery, man. I really should not got a 7600 watt, a 7600 milliamp. It's too fast, and I got one faster. I got a 3-cell battery in there, which I'm definitely not putting in, cause I can't even handle this. So I'm probably gonna end up buying another battery, cause this is another level of fast. You wanna drive?
I want to.
Yeah.
Don't hit. That was in a bonus. Ooh, that was loud.
Roll in. Hey, this thing here. It's too fast. You ready?
Here, watch how it's in. So when I turn the camera, I'm trying to catch it. Yeah. Well.
It's spinning. Are you ready?
Yeah.
We're gonna try a tram brake. Ready?
Yeah.
It hooked up better then.
Reverse.
All right, wifey. Got the control now. Just kind of push it back. Go back.
How you go back?
Just push it back like this.
Oh, okay.
Barely. Oh, go get it. Go pick it up. Wifey got the control now, y'all. This thing here. It's it's gonna take some learning. I told y'all that though, man. I'm gonna have to learn, like, for real. I'm just doing this car. I couldn't wait any longer, but I want to go to a parking lot. But me seeing how fast it is, I'm gonna get another body car. I already know I'm gonna flip it. I know I'm gonna flip it for a fact.
Daddy, how can the sun move?
Team, the sun don't move.
I just
All right, hold on. It don't move though. Yeah. So she just taking it easy. I'm gonna have to buy a lower battery though. And I forgot you can put this thing in training mode. I just didn't take the time out to do it. We trying to beat the sun basically. It's super fast though. You see how you barely press it, it take off.
Tay, check in your back pocket. Check in your back pocket. And both of them.
Pull forward some.
I put a lizard in there.
Look, she's stuck, y'all. Now she come. Go back a little bit more, just a hair. Go back just a hair. All right, try to come forward. Turn to the right. Yeah. Oh, please don't run out that cliff. It dug deep down there, y'all. Boy, that thing clean. Got that candy on it. Straighten it up. Get it straight. Let's see if you can.
Yeah, I'm trying to do.
She can't get in the stage lane, y'all. And look, I was talking about leaving the wheelie bars off of this thing, man. That would have been a bad idea.
Why?
It'd probably flip over. Nah, it won't hook up enough. It hooked one time, y'all. We got one little wheelie. I don't know if wife was able to catch it. Straight, get it all the way straight. I want to see if you can make it wheelie. Nah, you cricket. All right, right there. All right, gun it just for a second and then get off of it. Just press it down to all the way down for a little bit.
The gas.
Yeah.
I'm saying, but
Just squeeze it. Just.
it's gonna come forward.
Yeah. There we.
Oh, I thought you said don't.
Nah, we trying to make it pop a wheelie.
Do it for a second.
Yeah, for a hair for a second.
It did.
It came up a little bit. But that first time we did it right here, it did a big one. All right, come on back. Hold on, straighten up. Look at her. She. Oh. Woo. Woo. Straighten up. Get in the middle. Try to tram brake. Point it more that way. Then try to tram brake. Nah. Right. All right, right there. Right there. All right, hit the hold the tram brake down. The red button. With your thumb.
Right here.
Yeah, quit taking your hands off of it. You got it right hand. You got it. You got the thumb. Yeah, then squeeze. Hold the trigger down just a little bit. You ain't got it until you let go of the button. It's a lunch. Just don't hold the trigger all the way down. It's just like a accelerator. Just do like a quarter of a pedal, then let go.
Let go about the.
Nah, just the tram brake.
Okay.
It's gonna take off. You barely. You gotta straighten up. Let me see, y'all. All right. Oh, she got a little wheelie. Hold on, let's see. Oh. Come on, put it back in the middle. Come in the middle, son. Uh-oh. Let's see. All right, right there. Hold on. Let me get it right. Let me see if you can tram brake. All right, get rid of tram brake. All right, I'm ready when you ready. God, it's so fast, hard to catch it for real.
Scared me.
Yeah, man. I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. So look, this the next day. Called. It was just hectic that day. We were doing the RC car video. But that was my first drive, man. That was my first drive, boy. I done looked at that footage. I done looked at that footage car, put it on the computer. I said, I gotta close it out. And I done laughed, boy, cause I said, God, that thing like a real car. That is really like a real car. I looked at it. If you remember, if y'all not remember, if y'all saw that angle where I came by the GoPro and it like a power slide, I wasn't trying to do that. It just, the camera was in the right positioning. I just did it, caught it at the right time. Everything happened right. You can see the shocks lean like a real car, man. Suspension real soft or something. It's just crazy. Or if you don't do a burnout, how when I took off and the car shot off on the grass, I said, "This crazy," and came back and did a burnout, and that joker went straight. That's some wild jump, man. It's a lot to learn, but and then I got a 3-cell battery. I got a 3-cell battery up there, man. I seen one of y'all dropped the comment said, and this was the best explanation to me. Somebody said the 2-cell like motor and the 3-cell like nitrogen turbo. I said, okay. I said, okay. So that's it. So I got the motor power, and I got nitrogen turbo. I ain't messing with nitrogen turbo yet, cause I gotta get a handle on motor. That thing take off so fast, man. But I'm gonna be catching some high quality video for y'all, cause y'all know I'm a videographer. I got so many GoPros that I can sit down. I'm gonna catch it, man. Me and wife are gonna practice, cause most of the time she gonna be filming. So even she gonna have to get a handle on a way we can try to keep up with this thing. But we gonna go start putting out all the GoPros, and then I got 2 big cameras, so we can set another camera on the top end. We're gonna start catching this stuff, but we're gonna catch a high quality video for y'all. That was kind of spur of the moment. I've been wanting to drive it. I've been itching, but I told wife, I said I'm not driving it until I can record it for my BCG fam. They can see my first drive, a legitimate first drive, and that it was, cause I had never turned it on before that video. So y'all saw the first time I turned it on and drove it. That was my first drive. But it's fun, man. I'm definitely, like I said, I'm learning. I read the comments on the first video, the unboxing. Like I said, y'all dropped a lot of nice info and stuff, man. Real helpful. I really appreciate that. I'm gonna look into a lot of stuff. Like I said, this is new for me. This is new, man. I'm telling you, I hadn't had an RC car since a kid. And I had a few then since a kid, but I never got into the high level RC cars and stuff. And I seen y'all mentioning gas. I know about gas cars. I seen them and stuff, but I'm not educated on them. But what I mean, I done seen them, and them jokers super fast. Super fast. I know nothing about them. But I'm learning, man, so just bear with me. Hey, man, if I say something wrong or whatever, hey, just correct me and put me on game and stuff in a video called I'm Still Learning. The RC world and all that, the higher level RC world. So, yeah, I'm learning the batteries and all this stuff, man. I'm learning everything. And yeah, some people read my mind. I will be doing some kind of event in the future with the RC, man. Then next time we had a car meet, man, we're going to bring them out, everything. It's going to be fun, man. And I will be having a car meet this year. Me and Cuzzo, we're going to have a car meet this year. We're going to do it right. We're going to have officers out there. Ain't nobody doing no burnouts. I'm telling you, I'm serious, man. Because we tried to do it. And, you know, let the people be respectful. But, man, nobody doing no burnouts, man. I like to see that stuff. I like the burnout, but ain't nobody doing no burnout. We having kids out there, this and that. So we're going to have officers out there, at least one. They just keep everybody calm, man. So it's coming. But yeah, that's it, man. I appreciate y'all. I'm going to catch y'all later. BCG, we out.